Hey beauties, welcome to my channel, and this purple monochromatic makeup look is the 7th video of my series #rainbow series Indian version. So let's start. Firstly, I applied the toner on my face. This is VLCC rose water toner and I just push in the skin. Then I use this Lotus white glow cream to moisturize my face. This has slight bit of moisturization which is perfect for my oily skin type, and I just blend this out. Then I applied this Lotus Eco Stay Primer on my open pore areas and the areas where the oil secretion is more. Then I just take this foundation. This is Maybelline Fit Me 310 Sun Beige, and I just dot it all over my face and just blend with the help of a beauty blender. Then I take the concealer, that is Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 30 Honey, and I applied it on my dark circles and pigmented areas and just blend with the help of the same beauty blender. And I have applied this on my eyelids too. Then I take this Maybelline Fit Me loose powder in the shade 25 medium and this powder brush, and I just set my concealer and the foundation so that it doesn't crease. Then I take 20 something cosmetics palette and use this purple eyeshadow and a slanted fluffy brush, and I just applied the eyeshadow in my crease and outer V to define the crease and outer V area. And then I just take this fluffy brush and blend out the edges. Then I take the concealer and a flat shader brush and applied it on my lid to cut the crease. Then I take this Winky eyeshadow palette and this purple shade and applied it on the concealer part and just blend out the edges. Then I take off the powder that I leave for the baking and take the brown shade from the Winky eyeshadow palette and contour my face. Then I take the pink shadow from the palette itself and applied it as my blush. Then I take this Master Chrome highlighter and a fan brush and I applied it on my highest point of the face, like cheekbones, cupid's bow, bridge of the nose, center of forehead and chin area. Then I take this makeup fixer and firstly I spoolie out my eyebrow hair and the fill up the brows with the help of a brown shadow and an angled brush. Then I comb out the product. Then I take kajal and applied it on my waterline and tagline also. Then I take this eyelash curler and curl my lash. Then I take this mascara and apply it on my lashes, upper lashes and lower lashes. Then I take this pencil brush and same purple shadow and smoke out the lower lash line. Then I take this punch tip applicator and highlight my inner corners. Then I applied the falsies. I will link the falsies video. And then I use this makeup fixer and fix my makeup and just dab out. Now I just take the lip balm and applied it on my lips. And I take the same purple shadow and just pat it on my lips. I don't know why in this video my texture is so highlighted, and this is the final purple look. Hope you all are enjoyed this video and the series as well. And if you miss any video of my series, so I will link in the description box the playlist. Subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, like the video, comment and share also. Thank you so much for watching.